JBL's Bar 800 is making huge promises. True wireless Dolby Atmos, powerful bass, and a game-changing surround experience. But does it really deliver, or is it just another marketing trick? I tested it for weeks, and what I discovered will shock you. The magic trick surround speakers, genius or frustrating. JBL's detachable rear speakers are a brilliant innovation. Pop them off, and you get instant wireless surround sound. But here's the catch. They need to be charged constantly. If they run out of battery, your surround sound disappears. If you don't want to keep plugging them in, get ready for some serious frustration. Real Dolby Atmos or fake 3D audio. The truth. JBL claims the Bar 800 delivers true Dolby Atmos with up-firing speakers. But how does it compare to a real home theater setup? The overhead effect is good but not perfect. While sound does bounce off the ceiling, it lacks the precision of systems with dedicated height channels. Great for casual users, but if you want real Atmos immersion, you might be disappointed. Auto-calibration. Does it really improve sound? JBL's intelligent room correction promises to adapt the soundbar to your space. But is it a game changer or just a gimmick? After testing, it does make a difference, especially for dialogue clarity. But if you expect dramatic improvements, you might be underwhelmed. Hidden flaws JBL won't warn you about. The wireless lie. You've been tricked. JBL calls the soundbar wireless, but that's not the full story. Yes, the rear speakers are detachable, but if you don't charge them, they need to be plugged in with power cables. So much for a truly wireless experience. No DTS. X support. Movie lovers, watch out. If you watch Blu-rays, you're in for bad news. The Bar 800 doesn't support DTS. X, meaning some high-quality movie soundtracks won't play as intended. If you're a serious home cinema enthusiast, this is a big deal breaker. Bass that's loud, but not deep enough. JBL is known for bass, and this soundbar delivers thumping power. Explosions and action scenes? Fantastic. But if you want deep, cinematic bass, the subwoofer feels more boomy than rumbling. Great for casual users, but bass purists might be disappointed. Real-world performance. The test results. Movies. Does Atmos actually work? Dolby Atmos effects sound great, with clear dialogue and punchy effects. But compared to premium Atmos soundbars, the height effects are less convincing. Music. JBL's signature punch. But is it balanced? JBL's bass-forward tuning is perfect for EDM, hip-hop, and pop. But for acoustic and classical music, it lacks detail in the mids and highs. Gaming. Low latency. But is it competitive? For PS5 and Xbox gaming, there's minimal delay, making it good for casual play. But for serious competitive gamers, you might still notice slight lag. Final verdict. Should you buy or skip? Buy it if you want wireless-ish surround without running cables everywhere. You love JBL's bass-heavy sound for movies and music. You mainly watch Dolby Atmos content and don't care about DTS. X. Skip it if you need fully wireless rear speakers that don't require charging. You're a Blu-ray collector and need DTS. X support. You want deep, cinematic bass instead of a Booma subwoofer. What's next? Would you buy the JBL Bar 800, or is another soundbar a smarter choice? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you think this soundbar is impressive, wait until you see the JBL Bar 1300. It has a massive upgrade. But is it worth the extra $? Find out in our next review. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss it.